In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new employee and upload onboarding documents. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get a new team member into your system and deliver all the paperwork they need in a clean, organized way. We'll start by creating the employee profile. From your dashboard, go to the People section. This is where your directory lives and where every employee record begins. Click the Add Employee button. You'll see fields for basic information, such as the person's name, job title, start date, and department. Enter these details carefully. The job title and department help align the person with the right teams, and the start date is often used to trigger onboarding timelines in your plan. If you aren't sure about a detail, use your best available information and plan to confirm it later. When everything looks good, click Save. The moment you save, the employee officially exists in your system, and that action begins the onboarding process connected to your plan. Think of this as flipping the switch that allows the rest of the setup to flow. Next, let's upload the onboarding documents so everything the new hire needs is delivered and stored in one place. Head to the Files section. Locate and select the employee you just created. This keeps all documents tied to the correct person. Click Upload File. Now add the required onboarding documents. Start with the contract, which outlines the terms of employment and must be available for review and signature. Include your company policies so the employee can learn expectations and guidelines right away. Add ID requirements, which typically cover the documents they'll need to present to verify identity and eligibility to work. Finally, upload any forms they need to sign, such as tax or direct deposit forms, so they can complete and return them promptly. As you upload, use clear file names and current versions to avoid confusion later. PDF is a reliable format for final documents, while forms may be uploaded as fillable files if your system supports them. Keep an eye on file size and scan quality, especially for ID-related materials, to ensure everything is legible. Storing documents under the employee's record is how your plan delivers the files to them and keeps a secure, auditable history for your team. That's it. You created the employee profile to initiate onboarding, then uploaded the essential documents to deliver and store their paperwork. Follow these steps each time, and your onboarding will be consistent, compliant, and easy to manage.